Okay, so at this point we have 17 people out of 24. The last of you, go ahead and select 7, and so we can move on to the next question. Okay, moving on. Here's a new question. Oh, this is the review, but we don't need that. We'll stay at this level for the next one. Okay, so we're all going to do the same one together again. So based on the scatter plot below, which is a better prediction for y when x equals 4? So I'm going to grab my line tool. We're going to make a line of best fit. Remember, it should go kind of down the middle. So it wants to, you should have about as many points on the one side as the other. So right down the middle of the points, okay? Come on. Whose is that? Pick it up, please. Okay, now, so we're gonna go where x equals 4. So go to your x-axis, look for 4. We're gonna draw a vertical line up to the line. So it hits it right there, and then go across. So based on this, it touches about 6. So which is a better choice, 7 or 1? So go ahead and select 7 again. Don't worry, I promise you they'll get harder. So go ahead and select 7. And great. Let's move on. Oop, I got it. Remember to erase your stuff. Let's go harder. Okay, this is what I was looking for. We're gonna make a line of best fit. What kind of association is this? Positive, negative, or none? Negative. So this one's negative. It's gonna go downhill, and the line's gonna be pretty steep. It's gonna be right, maybe something like this, right in between. So draw a vertical, a line like this, almost vertical. But notice this one's different, guys. It says based on the scatter plot below, which is a better prediction for x when y equals 54? So we're not going to go to the x-axis. Which axis are we going to go to? The y-axis. And we're going to look for where 54 would be. Here's 40. 50 would be right here. 60 is right above it. So 54 would be somewhere about here on the y-axis. So draw a line across until it hits the line. Then bring that line down. Bring the line down. And now we're going to look where it hits on the x-axis. What number does that hit? 60. So our prediction is going to be 60. When y is 54, x is going to be 60. Okay? So I'd like you to pick that one. All right, let's see. Okay, how many people do we got? 20. Need a few more. We got 24 people here. Come on. Okay, this next one I'm going to let you do on your own. Okay, so same level. Here we go. So draw your line of best fit. Remember, it should be kind of where you have about as many points on one side as the other, kind of in between. So draw a line. Looks like it's a negative association. And it says, which is a better prediction for x when y is 38? So this one you're on your own, guys. So I want to see how many people are getting it right. Okay, I got 11 out of 24. Might have the true line might be up a little bit, but that's okay. I'll just go with that. And find out where 38 would be, right under 40. And this gets me somewhere between 20 and 30. So 19 is closer to that number than 76. And I was right. My true line should have been up a little higher, but that's okay. It still got me to the right answer. Okay, we'll do a couple more here. We'll go harder. Harder. Okay, try this one. So y is 51. This looks to be a positive correlation. So I'll make a line. All right, we'll do one more. Great job, by the way, guys. Okay, I want to go harder. Oh, that's it. That's the hardest. Give it a try. This time they're telling you x is 46. X is 46. So you're looking to start at the x-axis. Okay. Last couple people, let's get those in. All right. Well, great job, guys. What you're gonna do now? Well, first of all, let me end the jam. Great work here. This is one of 3 IXLs you're going to do. So I'd like you to just continue working on this one. You have to get a SMART score of 90 on all of them today. So SMART score of 90, it's not going to take very long. None of these should take very long. So you have this IXL, then you have another one where you identify the type of trend. Okay, so it's either positive, negative, or none. So here I got a no trend. Here I got another no trend. What's up? These are all no trends. Huh. What are the chances of getting all these no trends? Finally, this one appears to be negative. So basically, you're just identifying the trend, positive, negative, or none. And then the last one, you have to figure out where the outlier is. Remember, the outlier is that point that if you cover it up, you wouldn't even miss it. It's not in the general association of the points. See, if I cover up this one, it's right in the middle of the points. That's not an outlier. This one is on the outside. So this is the outlier point. So you just have to identify the outlier. So you got to get 90 on all of these. And good chance you can finish them all with the time that's left. Okay? So good luck, guys. And if you need help, let me know. Of course.